Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. O stands for order, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First, we solve the inner round brackets first. According to this expression, we have a round bracket 6 minus 4 and according we get 2. According to this step, BODMAS dictates solving the innermost grouping first. And now, the current expression becomes 50 minus square bracket 20 plus curly brackets 10 minus 2 multiplied by 2 and then curly bracket square bracket off. Move to the next step. Now multiply inside the curly braces. Now there is a multiplication. First we multiply the digits. After we'll get 4. According to this step, multiplication takes the priority over subtraction inside the braces. And now the current expression becomes 50 minus square bracket 20 plus curly braces 10 minus 4. Curly braces off, square bracket off. Move to next step. Subtract inside the curly braces. Now there is a subtraction. So now the subtraction is 10 minus 4 and we'll get 6. According to this step is completely remove the curly braces. And now the current expression become 50 minus square bracket 20 plus 6. Now the square bracket off. Move to next step. Solve the outer square bracket which is 20 plus 6. Now after adding we'll get 26. And according to this step, the outermost grouping must be cleared next. And now the current expression becomes 50 minus 26. Now the last and final step is finally subtraction. Now 50 minus 26 will get 24. And according to this step, this is the last remaining operation. And 24 is the final result. Now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, ensures a single mathematically correct outcome. Working for the innermost brackets outward simplifies the expression step by step to arrive 24. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.